Hey guys, this is Tyler, project manager with Rose Paving. I was actually out on a job site today and I noticed in the main drive lane next door a really bad case of rutting of the asphalt. This is basically a depression along the wheel path, which is pretty common, and this is usually caused by unsuitable base, poor mat thickness, poor drainage. There could be numerous reasons why this is occurring. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys so we can give you recommendations on what you need to do if you see this occurring out at your parking lot.
So as you can see, we have about 100-foot long run here of this depressed area of the asphalt along the wheel path. And this is probably caused by an unsuitable base. You can see this dirt right here next to the asphalt. This is obviously what this asphalt was laid on, so there's an unsuitable base here. We would need to take up this whole area and reconstruct it, reconfigure so that we can lay down some stone and have a suitable base to put the new asphalt on so that this does not occur again.
So in short, if you're experiencing rutting out at your own location or any other asphalt, concrete issues, feel free to give us a call, 888-773-ROSE. We'll be sure to give you a free estimate on your parking lot.